Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting your canvas. Choose 9, 16 or crop to 1080x 1920 so the short fills mobile screens. Once done, pick a single clear concept and write 3 beats to keep it under 60 seconds. This prevents rambling. Now capture footage. You can use your laptop webcam for direct recording or record on your phone and transfer files via USB or cloud. Make sure to organize clips into a new folder so editing starts clean and focused. You now edit with intent. Import footage into your editor of choice and assemble the 3 beats on a vertical 9:16 timeline. Trim ruthlessly so each clip hits its purpose. Shorter is usually better. Aim for 15-45 seconds depending on the idea. Once done, add punchy background music, hard cut or rhythmic jump cuts to keep pace, and clear captions so viewers watch without sound. Make sure overlays and text sit inside the safe vertical margins for all devices. You finish by exporting as H.264 MP4 at 1080x 1920 with an 812 Mbps bitrate so quality holds on mobile. High profile preserves clarity. Then upload to YouTube Shorts, write a concise hook title, use relevant hashtags, and pin a 000 comment that prompts engagement. If problems appear, black bars, muted audio, or wrong orientation, reopen the project. Correct the canvas or audio settings and re-export. If upload fails, try a different browser or clear cache before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.